Coach John Oldamay once said,
Okay lang ba for once? Yes! Pag-usapan na naman natin ngayon yung pangarap mo. Okay lang ba yun? Yes! Because once upon a time, that stranger hanggang ngayon tinulungan po ako. From the very beginning of my journey, hanggang ngayon, andito pa siya tumutulong sa akin. Kaya nakikita ko, sabi ko, grabe naman itong mga to. Ang sarap tulungan. Lahat na nakikita ko, each one of you, I see hope, I see dreams. Ay, kung pwede pala, imuha akong kuko, imuha akong kuhaan, alam mo yun, talungan, imuha. Alam mo yun, kung pwede pala, ibigay ko sa inyo lahat para lang matulungan kayo, bawat isa.
Grabe.
Gagawin ko.
Thank you, ko.
Alam mo kung bakit?
Bakit?
Smile. Energy is priceless.
Yes!
Hindi mo alam, your smile can change life.
Yes!
Your smile can change life. And today, huwag mo itong baliwalain. Because today, it can change your life. What you always think, you become. What you believe will happen. Kung ano ang pinaniniwalaan mo, mangyayari. So naniniwala ka ba may mangyayari sa iyo ngayon 2025? Naniniwala ka ba? Yes! Na yung stranger na kasama mo ngayon ay tutulungan ka ngayon 2025? Yes! Regardless of your background, may utang ka, wala kang utang, wala kang pera, you are in your lowest point of your life, you are challenged, you have problems, marami kang pinagdaanan, lahat ng yon, today doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Your past will not define who you are. Yes! Kung ano ka kahapon, kung ano yung mindset mo 30 minutes before, kung ano yung naiisip mo 3 hours before the start of the event, it doesn't matter. What matters is how you start at this very moment.